Okay, guys, welcome again about how to make menus and like this, how to make commands inside your desktop shortcut menu or your desktop context menu, how to make new commands or something good and something different than before. So you have to access your target very fast, as fast as possible. You have to access your target, or what is the frequent commands you are using. You have to put in your at the desktop context menu like this. You remember before we talked about how to make this administration tools as an icon inside this desktop context menu, right? So this is the project for before. Just make it apply now. I'll apply it now. So this is administrative tools. So this is administrative. When you open, it will open the folder of the administrative tools. So I don't want to like this. So you will access Windows Firewall, whatever you want inside. So you have to double click, it will work directly, right? So this is what I want to say exactly. So now for today, I don't want to make it like this. I wanted to make it as a menu, like this new. The administrative tools will be as a menu like this. I want to show you how to make these tools inside. I'll make this as administrative tools. This one will be like this one, administrative tools, and the branches will be the one inside this administrative tools. All of this one will be branches like this, branches of new. See, new, and this branches. I wanted all of these icons and all of these components inside will be as branched as new, this one, right? This is our project for today. Okay, I'll show you now how to make it very easy and very good, one by one, step by step. So I have to remove this one. Okay, now right click. This is for remove this project from my registry. Now empty. So how to make it, I'll show you now. Okay, firstly I open registry. Okay, I go there like every time we go HKey class root. Inside this one I'll go to not directory for this time. I feel this Windows directory background now full of icons, so we have to change for this video. So we'll make it under desktop background. Okay, desktop background. This also related to the desktop context menu. So under shell we will make a new key. Okay, new key. I'll call it admin because this will be for admin tools, right? This is for admin tools, right? Is under this admin tools. I didn't name it. Why? Right, like this. Name it admin. Only admin. Okay, but the tools is the tools name is administrative tools. See this one? The name of the window is administrative tools. Okay. So this administrative tools. So I'll name it at the right side, not here, because I will make this one as a menu. So don't name this as a menu here. So you have to put a new value. You will learn for today menu. What is this value? The value will be MUI verb. Okay, this MUI verb, you will put the name you wish here, like administrative tools. Okay, exactly. This is what I want to say exactly. So now the menu. Let's check the menu now. Administrative tools. Okay, this is administrative tools. So how to put an icon for this administrative tools? Just right click. I make deeper search in my Windows Live CD under this video, and all the video I created before, you will find my live CD. So I put all of these things. So this is my complete project. When I search inside my Windows like this before, so I find this administrative tools icon will be like this. So when I look at the icon for administrative tools, I find this icon. Then I search it inside my Windows Live CD, where this project I made before, I found it imageres.dll 109. This is my live CD. So this project I made inside my live CD. So from my live CD I take the icon for this administrative. So this imageres 109. Okay, let's put it now inside the registry. The icon at the right side, right, new string value. I'll name it icon. I'll put the icon we watched now, this image, double click, I'll name it image res.dll, comma 109. Okay, this is the icon for administrative tools. Right click now, you will find this administrative tools. Now take the icon. Okay, what's the next step? How to make it now? This is as a command prompt. If I made command under this key, and it will be a command, but for this time I want to make it as a menu, like new, like this one. So I'll add this new string value. I'll name it sub commands, and under these sub commands we will make a key. Let's see, it becomes sub commands, not command. I'll rename it sub commands. Okay, because many commands will come. Okay, right click now, it becomes as a menu, but this menu not working because no buttons inside we created. I create these buttons before inside the registry at the specific location, like I told you before, HQ local machine, my software, Microsoft, Windows, under Windows, Windows current version, under current version, Explorer, under Explorer, command store, under command store, under shell, the shell, under command store. I created 4 buttons. The first button is SV for service, and the second one is WF for Windows firewall. This one inside. See, this is administrative tools, right? This Windows firewall, I made this buttons inside the registry. WF, I named it WF for Windows firewall, and also I made the other one SV for service. I created also the other one for SI for system information, and this system configuration I didn't made. I made service, system information, Windows firewall, and event viewer. I make it EV, right? So under this sub commands, I'll show you this 4 keys later, but now I have to put it inside this sub commands. Now under this menu, I'll put this one. Like I told you, I made WF for Windows firewall, semicolon, then even EV for event viewer, then semicolon. I made also system information, SI for system information, then semicolon. I put also event viewer, system service, SV. So these 4 buttons I put inside this sub commands. Okay, this is the commands, this 4 commands inside this key. Okay, so okay, now right click on the desktop, you will find this administration tools, then you will find inside everything you need. Now this is admin, so, and this is commands. So we have to add this one again. Right click like this. Yes, this is the command we made. So if we open, you will see the same. This is sub commands, this MUI verb, like I told you before how to name this one, administrative tools, and this is admin we created. So everything is now clear for you. Icon, this is the icon, images. I named this one MUI verb to make it like this, administrative tools. Sub commands I put, so the administrative tools now it will work. So this is event viewer. Okay, and also this one, double click, also this right click, administration tools, services. Okay, double click this, the administrative tools, system information. Okay, and also like this, administrative tools, Windows firewall. This is Windows firewall. I made all of these 4 buttons. Okay, where is this 4 buttons I created before? I created now inside the registry. So I'll show you where exactly with the location for this 4 buttons. So like I told you before, we have to export every project you make. You have to export it to the desktop. I'll export to the desktop. I name it admin. Okay, admin tools. Okay, let's make it at the desktop. This admin. Okay, but we have to go to there. Now this for SV. Let's go inside the registry like this. Okay, I'll show you where is this 4 buttons. Let's see together. HK local machine. Now software, under software, Microsoft. Under Microsoft we'll choose Windows. Go to Windows. Under Windows, current version. Under current version, Explorer, because we will make a command. Explorer. Under Explorer we'll say command store, the storage of all the commands. Command store, this one. Under the command store, shell. Under shell we will make this 4 buttons, EVSSI. How I made this one, let's see together. At event viewer, double click. This is the key, and this is the command. It will run. Like I told you before, this is Microsoft Management Console. Management Microsoft Console. Okay, so this one event viewer is MSC as per the standard, international standard, as miscellaneous. But inside the computer system and computer science, MSC means Microsoft Management Microsoft Console, MMC. This is exactly the file MMC, Microsoft Management Console. But this MSC means Microsoft Console. So this event viewer is like WF. I told you before. This is Windows Firewall. What is the name? It's WF MSC. Let's see the command I told you before. WF MSC means Microsoft Console. MS Microsoft. C means console. So console, we have to make it mmc.eventViewer. And in this case, I put also inside, if I go to there to the key again for event viewer, I give it icon. From where I get this icon? Okay, I search it inside the register to get the suitable icon, because I make deep research in my live CD. I didn't find this icon. Really, it's very difficult. Okay, administrative tools, I found it exactly. Okay, that's why I put it. I put it exactly because I have this in my CD administrative tools, so it's available, this icon. So I go there, I put the shell, and under shell, desktop background. This is exactly the steps of how I made this project as steps. Okay, admin tools, I give this icon 109. Okay, then administration and new key for administration. This is the commands exactly what I made in the front of you in this video. All is like this, but what I mean exactly, the icons I told you before, all of these icons I made before inside my live CD. I didn't find the icons for this Windows Firewall. I track every item here. This is 15 icon here, 15 icon here, 15. Every element of this icons included inside 15 elements. I didn't find for Windows Firewall. Then I thought for a while, so how to get this Windows Firewall icons. Then finally I make like this, right click inside this admin tools. I open this admin tools, then right click, I see the commands for this one, WFMSC. My mind told me told me to research inside the registry where is exactly the main location for WFMSC. Okay, that's why I make a research, find Windows Firewall MSC. Okay, I search for this one to see the main location for this one inside the registry, the main location which you make this run originally inside the Windows system, operating system. Originally, where is the location for this Windows Firewall inside? I searched for WF.MSC. Then he took me to there at this location. So I look at this icon. This is WFMSC. I track every item here. I read all. I see icon path. Icon path. This is the icon for this firewall, original icon for this Windows Firewall, because we have to give it as the same icon. So that's why I take this one from here, right click and copy, and go there inside the registry. Inside the registry again, if we search again for F3, it will go to our project. So I'll make it like this. I will write F3 again. So we have to search again for, he will take us to the project, the keys I made. See WFMSC, search from the start. I have to search from the start, from here. So WFMSC, it will take me to my project, the keys I created inside the registry. WF SI, system information, SV for services, and EV for event viewer. It will take me to my project. See, this is the third one, will be my project. Okay, now I'm waiting for this one. It will go directly. This is my project exactly. This is the Windows firewall. What I made exactly. I give it at the key, inside key. At the right click, at the right side, I put the same name of the icon I took from the registry for the original name of the Windows WF. So I made this one. This is for event viewer. Okay, this is the icon for event viewer. Like I told you before, how I track inside the registry. I search it for event viewer, event WVR inside command. This is the command for event viewer. Okay, I searched it for this one inside the registry. He took me to the original location for this event viewer. Original location. I took the icon for this event viewer. I put it here. I created new icon. Then I put it here for the icon for event viewer. Then I follow the same system information. Also I follow. So this is the icon for system information executive file, which run the command for system information. This also for service. Another service. I go inside the registry, searches for services.msc. Then he took me to the location for the original location for services. This one, services.msc. He took me to the original location. I copy the icon path from there. Then I put it here. Right click, new icon. So now I have this one. Right click, this admin tools. This is the tools I choose to be under my hand very fast, to get my target fast, very fast. Services. So right click for this admin tools, system information, to get my target very fast, like this. No need to open folders like this. Double click admin tools and get everyone like this. I take only what I need. Only firewall, system information, services, and even viewer. This is what I need exactly. But what I need is different than what you need. You have to complete this project to make all of these items. I told you how to track everyone, and I search for inside the registry to get the same location, so you can complete this project yourself. Because what I need is different than what you need. So you have to make this project as per your need. As per your needings, right? This is what I need. These 4 items I need from the administration tools. I need only these 4 items. But you can need all. So you have to complete this project for yourself, just to get what you need exactly and very fast. Because the other component inside administration tools is many things. Component service. Maybe you'll need to access component service inside the computer, and like this, make the ports and services inside the Windows. So you have to put what you need inside this administration tools as per you need. Resource monitor, performance monitors, and system information, system configuration. We created this before as a MS config, Microsoft System Configuration. We created this before at the desktop context menu, but now we need comprehensive tools to collect all tools we need. We're frequent using these tools, so we have to make it. We have to create it in the desktop context menu as layer like this to be very fast to access. This is a new way to how to access administration tools, and I told you the basics. This is the basics. This is the basics. So how to make this menu. So you have to complete this project to continue all these administration tools to include all you need, all items you need. You have to complete as the same. This is a project. This is for you. So if we wanna remove this project from my registry, so just double click here, run as administrator, or the other one here. Right click, run as administrator. It will remove this project from you if you don't need. Okay, if you need this project again, you have to complete this one. Right click, merge, okay, and yes, it will apply to your system, any system. So administration tools will be available, because inside this one I put the main, I put the main icon. Okay, this is the main menu. Let's check let's check the script now. This is a script. This is how to remove the script from the registry. Okay, now this is a project. This is how to remove this project from the registry. So now removed. Now I'll add it again. Yes, and okay. Now added and working, right? So how to make this one? Let's check the project inside. You will find all of this script inside, all of these commands which will be applied to your system. So this is the main icon, okay, on the desktop background. But the other location is like I told you before. So HK local machine software like this. So you can complete this project via this script. You can add, just to copy the line. Two lines is responsible for this. One button is 2 lines. This is the main line, okay, but the other line, this one for the name event viewer, this is the command for event viewer. This is the name of the new key, and this is the command for the key. This is the name of the key, and this is a command for the key we created. This is the name of the key. Then all the scripts is like this: the name of the key and the command for this key. All the scripts is like this. If you wanna add more script, you have to create 2. Copy this 2 and you paste it down, and you can change this one to another one, Windows component, and like that. So it will be very easy for you to complete this project. So finally, you will find this script under this video. I'll pack it now like this, send to compressed file. Okay, this is administrative tools menu. This is administrative tools menu original. Okay, no need to open. Okay, no problem. I'll write here like this script. No need for script, because sometimes Google make a problems if I name something script. So many checks, and maybe they can delete this one. So it's better to make it like this: administrative tools menu. So when you apply this project, you'll see administrative tools, event viewers. Whatever you put, you will find. Okay, event viewer. Okay, I can access very fast. Services also, and like I told you before, so no need to waste time about how to repeat something we already did before. So now we reach to the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.